Nobody can know this, bro.
We had to show something.
Insert Call of Duty clip here.
Oh, I'll insert something else here. I hope I can find love like these two one day.
Okay, that's awkward. We're just gonna cut that one out, alright? That was just weird.
Surprisingly, this is not the smallest car we've wrapped. This orange is insane. It looks like that GTR orange that Nissan came out with a while ago. From what I understand, the race car has the same orange on it, so this is going to match really well with this since it is going to be pushing that on the track. But even though it's not going to be the star of the show on the racetrack, it's still important for us to make sure we do an incredible wrap job. So we one-piece anything that we could, and we hit any seams. So overall, really happy with how this came out.